Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move games on Steam from one drive to another. First, let's open up Steam. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam menu. Click on that, then click on Settings. When the Settings window opens, look on the left side for an option called Storage. Go ahead and click on Storage. Now you'll see a list of your drives and the games you've installed. Before we can move anything, we need to make sure that Steam knows about the new drive. So, in the Storage section, look for a button that says Add Drive. Click on that. A new window will pop up asking you to choose a drive. This is where you'll pick your new drive. Once you've selected the correct drive, click on Add Drive. Now that your new drive is added, you'll see it listed alongside your original one. Steam now knows that this is a place where it can install or move games. Next, we're going to move a game. Find the game you want to move. Click the checkbox next to the game's name. Then look for a button that says Move. Click on that. Now Steam will ask where you want to move the game. Choose the drive from the list. Once you've selected the new location, click Move again. Steam will start moving the game files to the new drive. Depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drives, this might take a few minutes. Just wait for it to finish. And that's it. You've now successfully moved your Steam games from one drive to another. Thanks for watching.